Hello, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be looking at how often ignition coils need to be replaced. An ignition coil is a device that creates a high-voltage, low-current electrical charge that ignites the fuel mixture in the cylinder. It requires a primary winding, the outside layer, and a secondary winding, the inside layer. If the ignition coil is not functioning properly, then it may fail sooner than expected. But how often do ignition coils need to be replaced? There are several reasons why the ignition coil could fail. One of these reasons is improper maintenance. Another reason is a faulty ignition system. A third reason is due to a bad electrical connection between the ignition coil and the battery. But before we continue, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and share this video. The frequency of ignition coil replacement varies depending on the vehicle's make, usage, and model. If your vehicle has covered more than 100,000 miles, you may need to replace your ignition coil. However, other reasons could warrant replacing your ignition coils before the 100,000 distance is covered. Are ignition coils easy to replace? The answer to this depends on the person working on it. Ignition coils are relatively simple to replace for pros. All they need is the right replacement kit and some basic tools. While for an inexperienced person who is only using an instructional pamphlet to get things right, replacing ignition coils will take a lot of work. You would have to disassemble some components and reinstall everything. These steps require special tools and knowledge about how each part works. In addition, you may damage the parts while trying to fix them. Generally, replacing ignition coils is something that should only be done if you have experience replacing them. Ignition coils are extremely delicate components, and if they aren't replaced correctly, they could cause serious damage to your engine. I suggest that you contact an auto mechanic. How often do ignition coils need to be replaced? You've to look at the mileage of your vehicle. A typical car will get about 100,000 miles before needing to be changed. If you've been driving for a while and haven't had any issues, you may only need to worry about changing your ignition coil once you reach 100,000 miles. Should you replace ignition coils with spark plugs? In my opinion, yes. Spark plugs are prone to failure and require frequent replacement. If you want to save money on maintenance costs, consider replacing your ignition coil with a spark plug. The ignition coils and the spark plugs work together to power the engine. Both ignition coils and spark plugs play a role in igniting the fuel mixture in the cylinder. How much does it cost to replace ignition coils and spark plugs? The cost of replacing ignition coils and spark plugs varies depending on the vehicle and manufacturer. The replacement costs of the ignition coil and spark plugs range from $150 to $250. Spark plug replacement costs vary based on the type of spark plug being replaced. The price ranges from $9 to $80. You should know that spark plugs are generally less expensive than ignition coils. How much does an ignition coil cost? The price of an ignition coil differs depending on what type you get. It can cost anything from $20 to $129. Keep in mind that location and type will determine the price. If you want something cheap, you can go to any auto parts store and buy a generic one. However, if you want something high quality, you should buy a performance ignition coil. These coils have been specifically designed to work with your vehicle's engine and provide maximum power output. There are many different types of ignition coils out there, so make sure you know exactly what you need before purchasing. How long does it take to change the ignition coils? The time it takes for a novice to change the coils differs from the amount of time a mechanic will spend. Fixing an ignition coil should take an hour, but it depends on the number of coils you're changing. Will a new coil pack improve performance? Certainly, they do. A new ignition coil pack will ensure that your vehicle runs smoothly. Coil packs are commonly seen in automobiles and ignite the engine cylinders. Each coil pack contains multiple individual coils that are connected via wires. These wires are attached to terminals that connect to the distributor cap, which then connects to the spark plugs. When the car starts, the starter motor turns the crankshaft, which rotates the camshaft, and the distributor, which sends out sparks to ignite the fuel mixture inside the combustion chamber. A coil pack is essentially a high-voltage capacitor that stores energy before releasing it to the spark plug. The spark plug then uses that stored electrical charge to create a spark. The spark created by the coil pack is more powerful and cleaner than what would be produced by a simple distributor cap. A major benefit of using a coil pack is that it eliminates the need for a distributor. Eliminating the distributor means that the engine does not require any additional parts, thus reducing the cost and complexity of the vehicle. Another benefit of coil packs is that they allow for greater control over the timing of the spark plug firings. By controlling the firing times of each coil, the engine can be tuned to produce maximum power output without sacrificing fuel economy. But if you do not need to replace the ignition coil pack, then there is no need to spend money on a replacement. You should change the spark plugs instead. Spark plugs are much cheaper than ignition coil packs and are easier to install. In conclusion, if your vehicle's engine needs to be well maintained, the ignition coils may wear out much faster than they should. If you notice any unusual noises from your engine, you need to take action immediately. You should never drive your vehicle if it makes any strange sounds. Ignition coils last about 5 years. If they start to fail, then replace them immediately. If you don't have any problems, then ignore them until they do. This is all we've got in today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and share this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.